how to delete your Amazon account. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is considering to delete their Amazon account, you can do it in a few simple and easy steps. To do so, log on to your Amazon account, and once you do, on your top right, you're going to click on your account section. So just click on your account on the top and then click on your account like this. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you will find this section on the bottom left called Manage Your Data. So within this section, you have the option to close your Amazon account. Click on this over here, and once you do that, you have the ability to read this carefully, and then you will see all of your Amazon profiles, including Amazon, Seller Central, Business, Associates, Flex, Prime, Pay, gift cards, Comixology, Whole Foods, so on and so forth. All of that will be deleted. Then you're going to proceed, choose your reason, and then click on Close My Account to delete your Amazon account. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.